Hello, I'm Andy from CRE Group's Technical Support Department, and this week's Akuvox top tip was that if you were wondering how to configure your new Akuvox kit, how to update the firmware to the latest version, how to connect your Akuvox intercoms to the cloud to allow easy configuration and calling, just go to knowledge.akuvox.com. Akuvox have a full section of their website with all of their product manuals, how-to guides, videos, installation tips, firmware downloads, and an FAQ section. They also have a training certification section to allow you to learn everything from intercom basics to comprehensive system know-how, all at your own pace. Join us next week, where the CRE technical support team will give you some more top tips.